we got ourselves a giant cypress. This isn't a tree, it is a women's medium hybrid type bike, and it could have done with some chainstay protection. So here's a pretty cool tip if you are fixing up old bikes like I tend to be doing all the time. So I recently bought a roll of this Gorilla Glue waterproof sealant tape. It is 4 inches wide by 10 feet long. It's about 15 bucks, and I used it to patch a couple holes in the roof of my shed because I didn't have the money to replace the whole roof, but I had quite a bit left over, so here's what I did with it. It makes an excellent chainstay guard for your bike frames where chain slap is kind of normal. It's about 1 millimeter thick or so, but it's pretty tough. It's weatherproof. It's made by Gorilla Glue, so you know it's gonna stick. Now I've already made 2 chainstay guards with this strip that I've cut, so I'm just gonna skinny this one up again and make it fit right there. So you can get a piece of wood like this, something that's gonna serve as a guide. Hold it down, get something sharp, and just cut right through like that. Then pull off the sticky backing that comes with the tape. You'll kind of want to shoot for the top of this thing. That's what the chain will hit. Lay it on there like so. There's always this option as well. It works great if you have a hardtail. You definitely need something here if you have a hardtail. And buying the pre-made stuff could cost $7 or more. And like the lizard skin stuff that's Velcro, and I don't know, it looks bad. So you could do that and spend $7 or double your money and have like an endless supply of stuff, especially if you're wrenching on other bikes and things. Buying that Gorilla tape would get you tons of chainstay protectors. So there you go. If you're working on bikes and you need to solve that problem and you're doing it often, that's a great way to do it.